Good night. I'm here for my interview.
Hello, it's nice to meet you. My name is Binti Permata. Please take a seat. Please do you find and travel finding the place?
Oh, my name is Muhammad Firdaus. No problem. This place was easy to find.
That's great. Okay. Firdaus, why
Well,
do you want to apply to our company?
I am a fresh grad from Informatica Engineering, and your company is my top priority to apply since I believe it will give excellent and environment to develop my skills.
Okay, but what will you consider your strength?
I am great in analytics and encouraged to work with number and computer.
What do you consider as your big weakness?
I actually did work, sir. That is why I love to keep myself challenged.
That's nice. Send this question with made people that love challenge.
I am glad to hear that, sir.
Well, I think today we will inform you about the result after I submit your application to the president.
I'll be waiting for the brief now, sir.
Okay, those I hope for the this for you.
Thanks.